Good morning students, welcome to our 12th standard accountancy. In this video we are going to discuss unit 7 company accounts chapter topic of forfeiture shares. So what do you mean by forfeiture shares? When a shareholder defaults in making payment of allotment and call money, the shares may be forfeited. So that means the shareholders fail to pay the call money or allotment money, so the company forfeited the shares. That is called forfeited shares. So on forfeiture, the share allotment is cancelled, and to that extent share capital is reduced. So the person ceases to be shareholder of the company after the shares are forfeited. So on forfeiture, the amount so far paid by the shareholder is forfeited, which is gain to the company and is credited to forfeited shares account. So forfeited share account is shown under the share capital as per the separate head in a note to accounts to the balance sheet. So the following journal entries is to be passed in the books of the company. So first, equity share capital account debtor called up amount. 2. Equity share allotment account unpaid amount unpaid. 2. Equity share first and final call account amount unpaid. 2. Forfeiture shares account amount so far paid. So narration being forfeiture of shares for non-payment of allotment and call. So come to illustration 8. Anita was holding 500 equity shares. Illustration 8. Holding 500 equity shares of 10 each of Tanjavur Motors Limited. So issued par. She paid 3 rupees on application, 5 rupees on allotment, but could not pay the first and final call of 2 rupees. So 500 equity shares, each are 10 rupees. So she paid only 3 rupees on application and 5 rupees allotment. Total 8 rupees. So remaining 2 rupees she failed to pay the call money. So the directors forfeited the shares for non-payment of call money. So how to write the journal entries? So equity share capital account debtor, equity share capital account debtor. 2. Equity share first and final call account. 2. Forfeiture shares. Forfeiture shares being 500 shares forfeited for non-payment of call money. For non-payment of call money. So how to write the amount now? So equity share capital account. So total equity shares is 500 shares. Each share is 10 rupees. So 500 into 10 rupees, 5000. Then 500 shares into non-payment of call money rupees, 2 rupees. So 500 into 2 rupees, 1000. Then amount so far paid 8 rupees. So 500 into 8, 4000. So this is the entry for forfeiture shares. Next, exercise number 8. Arjun was holding 1000 shares of rupees 10 each of Bonneville Electronics Limited. So issued at par. So he paid only 3 rupees on application, 4 rupees on allotment, but could not pay the first and final call rupees 3 rupees. So each share is 10 rupees. He paid 3 rupees application and 4 rupees allotment. So total 7 rupees he paid. So he could not pay the first and final call money 3 rupees. So the director decided to forfeit the shares for non-payment of call money. So write the journal entries now. So equity share capital account debtor, equity share capital account debtor. 2. final call account to share forfeit being 1000 shares forfeited for non-payment of call money. So equity shares, 1000 equity shares. So 1000 equity shares into each share is 10 rupees. 1000 into 10, 10,000. So first and final call. So non-payment of call money. So rupees, 3 rupees. So 1000 into 3 rupees, 3000. Then the amount so far paid is 7 rupees. So 1000 into 7, 7000. So I understand. So for journal entries. So next one, some number, illustration number 9. Muthu was holding 20 equity shares, rupees 10 each, on which he paid 2 rupees on application, but could not pay the 3 rupees on allotment and first call. So director forfeited the shares after the first call. So give the journal entries. So how to write the journal entries now? So here the 20 equity shares, 10 rupees each. He paid 2 rupees on application. So he could not pay the 3 rupees on allotment and first call. So he failed to pay the allotment money and the first call money. So how to write the journal entries? So equity share, capital account debtor, equity share, capital account debtor, to share allotment, equity share allotment account, to equity share first call, equity share first call account, to forfeited shares, being narration, being 20 shares are forfeited, being 20 shares are forfeited for non-payment of call money and allotment money. So total equity share capital. So share capital account, total equity shares 20 into. So he paid only 2 rupees on application. 3 rupees on allotment and 1 rupees on first call. He could not pay the allotment money and first call. So how to write the amount? So 20 equity shares. So 20 into, so allotment value is 3 rupees. First and final call 1 rupee. Then equity share capital account 6 rupees. So 3 rupees allotment, 1 rupees first and final call. So far paid the amount is 2 rupees. So total 6. So 20 into 6, 120. So 20 times 3, 60. 20 times 1, 20. 20 times 2, 40. So this is the entry for forfeiture of shares. I hope you all understood this topic. We will see the next section. Thank you.